Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on torsion of circular shaft under strength of materials. Problem number 7. Let us read what is given here. If a shaft 250 mm diameter can transmit power 40 kilowatt at 150 rpm. Estimate, that means find out the power that can be transmitted by a 37.5 millimeter diameter shaft of similar material when running at 100 rpm. For case 1 and case 2, similar material means same specific weight and also same shear stress induced in shaft material. Here given data for first condition or for first case, D1 diameter of shaft 250 millimeter, N1 RPM of the shaft 150 rpm, P1 power transmitted by shaft 40 kilowatt. For second case or for second condition, D2 diameter of shaft 37.5 millimeter, N2 RPM of shaft 100 rpm, P2 we estimate this power or we find out this power for second case. Okay, it is we find out. In both case, for case 1 and for case 2, shaft material is same. That means same specific weight and same shear stress induced in shaft material. Now we know formula for power transmitted by shaft. P equal to 2 pi n T average by 60 into 1000 kilowatt. P equal to power transmitted by shaft in kilowatt, N equal to RPM of the shaft, revolution per minute, T equal to T here T average. T average means average torque transmitted by solid circular shaft in Newton meter. T average, formula of T average, pi by 16 into capital DQ into Fs. Here capital D equal to diameter of solid shaft in meter, Fs shear stress induced in shaft material in Newton per meter square. Now, ignoring all these constants, we get P proportional to N dq. This is most important relation. From this relation, we can say P1 by P2 equal to N1 D1Q by N2 D2Q. Okay. Now P2 equal to P1 by N1 D1Q by N2 D2Q. P2 power transmitted by shaft. For second case, power estimated by shaft for condition 2. Now P2 equal to value of P1 40 kilowatt, value of N1 150 RPM, value of D1 250 millimeter, value of N2 100 RPM, value of D2 37.5 millimeter. By calculating this, we find P2 equal to 0.09 kilowatt. This is the answer. So, estimated power is 0.09 kilowatt for a 37.5 millimeter diameter shaft of similar material when running at 100 RPM. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.